Good morning, and welcome to another episode of The Quote for Today. I'm your host, Michelle Frisby, and I'm so glad you're here. A new year often brings a quiet pressure to fix, to change, to push away what we don't want anymore. Today's quote offers a different starting point, a gentler one, and a wiser one. What you resist persists. What you accept begins to shift. This quote reminds us that resistance gives energy to what we're trying to escape. When we fight our thoughts, our feelings, or our current reality, we tighten around them, we hold them in place. Acceptance is not approval, it's not giving up, it's simply seeing what is without argument. And that honest seeing creates movement, because what is acknowledged can soften, what is met can change. When you stop pushing against the moment, you create space. And in that space, something loosens, perspective widens, the nervous system settles. Change begins quietly, from the inside out. Morning intention today. I allow what is to be here, without resistance. During the day, notice when you tense or argue with a moment. Gently soften, let it be. Evening reflection. Where did acceptance bring ease or clarity today? Here's a simple tool to carry with you. When resistance shows up, name it, then take one slow breath on the exhale. Say silently, "This can be here." And here are two related thoughts to sit with. Acceptance opens doors force never could, and peace begins when the struggle ends. Until we meet again tomorrow, let's make it a great day.